Are you tired of endlessly scrolling through countless websites, searching for the perfect pair of sneakers or the latest streetwear fashion? Look no further. Repsneaker.com has got you covered with an impressive selection of high-quality sneakers and stylish apparel. Whether you're a sneakerhead looking for the hottest releases or a fashion enthusiast wanting to elevate your wardrobe, Repsneaker.com has something for everyone. From iconic Nike Air Jordan to sought-after Adidas Yeezy, their collection is curated to satisfy your cravings for the freshest kicks. Shopping at Repsneaker.com is not just convenient, it's also a guarantee of authenticity and quality. Say goodbye to the worries of counterfeit products and hello to genuine, top-notch merchandise delivered right to your doorstep. Ready to step up your sneaker game and elevate your style? Visit Repsneaker.com today and experience the ultimate shopping spree. Don't forget to connect with us on WhatsApp at +1 64630 97835 for any inquiries or assistance. Remember, at the Business Promote, we're all about helping you find the best deals and promotions to level up your business game. Thank you for tuning in to the Business Promote. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting promotions and business insights.